Okay, Joseph, so before we demonstrate yours, I want you to remind us of, because it's been a couple of days, and we just had a couple that was able to bring them in. So remind us what the whole point of it is. What are we doing?
To show where the kinetic and potential energy is on the roller coaster.
Okay, so where do you have the most potential?
At the top.
Okay, so what do you have in the middle?
Both.
Both. So what's it doing there?
It's kind of going down, but going up a little bit too.
Okay, so what are you going to have at the bottom?
The most kinetic.
Okay, the most kinetic. So why don't you go ahead and do yours, because you had to make a couple adjustments too, didn't you? Okay, why did you have to make those adjustments?
Because it usually it would slow down right here. And it would
Hey Devin, are we being good listeners?
Yeah, I'll be in the
Okay, but I want you to listen to Joseph, because remember, his got stuck, right?
Yeah, I
Okay,
needed to
now
do an
Joseph,
adjustment.
like I said, we had a couple bring them in. So we're testing two different things, right?
Yeah.
Testing two marbles. What's the difference?
The light ones, usually if it's really big, it'll stop. Like
Okay.
in some tight spaces, so the small one really works best.
Okay, so what's the difference in the two marbles?
This one, it goes faster because it has a lot more space to move, and the other ones, it doesn't really have that much space.
Okay, so with yours, the smaller one did better. Okay, was that the case with who's somebody's the difference? Alana. Okay, was that the case with yours? Okay, what was the difference with yours?
The bigger one went faster because it was a steel ball and it was heavier.
Okay, so yours was the weight, right? That was the big difference. Okay, Joseph. So Nathan, if you'll stand up. Okay. All right, Joseph. Let's find you something to stand on real quick. Do you have it? Okay. All right. So Joseph made some minor adjustments, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, because remember we said the top of it, that's where it's going to be getting the most energy, right? And now we're going to see if it can make the second loop, because that was where it kept getting caught. All right.
It is a loop.
Okay.
Wait.
It went down.
It's going.
Made it.
Hey, it came out.
It made it. Good. Okay, so your adjustments finally worked, didn't it?
Yes.
What did you do differently?
I just took out the bigger loop and just made it like a corkscrew.
Okay, so your loop had to be smaller on this
Yes.
one. Okay, so let's do this one. Bailey, let's show yours one more time, because yours actually did a free fall jump, didn't it? Is that right? Okay. All right, and the size of yours made a difference too, didn't it, with the weight? Okay, so go ahead. Do you have your marble? Nathan, can Bailey borrow
Here's one.
your marble? Okay, so let's see with yours.
It went
Okay.
fast.
Completely made it, didn't it? All right, and here's one more. This one's just a little bit larger. Oh, and it almost, we saw it. Yeah, it didn't have quite the energy. So let's do this. You guys wanted to see, Mackenzie was sick that day when we were able to do them. So we needed to check hers again. And then, Mackenzie, what was something, tell us a little bit about the specifications. What did the roller coasters have to have?
It had to have a loop and it had to be 3 feet tall.
Had to have a loop and it had to be at least 3 feet tall. Okay, do you have the marble?
No, I do
Okay,
not have
so we got a small one.
Whoa. It went fast.
That one was really fast, wasn't it? Okay, can we use your marble one more time? Okay, so Mackenzie, try it.
You got
It got stuck. Why do you think it got stuck though?
Because it's too tight.
Because this. Right here.
Oh, we went through it.
It went through.
Okay, so did it go through? All right, let's check it again. Okay, give it to her. Let's check one more time. Let's check with the marble.
Oh, it's not getting stuck.
Okay, so what's the difference? What's the difference in that one and the first one you used?
This one's bigger and it's getting stuck.
Okay, so the
This is
size of this
pressing.
one?
No,
Okay.
it's just because it's pressing against it.
Is it actually, okay, so there's
Where's my steel one?
So were you able to get it out?
I gave it to you.
Oh, there it is.
Can you feel it in there?
No, I think I already got
Oh, so do you have it now? Okay, so let's go down and test Kaylin since she was able to bring it in this morning. Okay? Okay, that'll be fine.
Smaller marble.
Okay, did you do the two different sizes or the two different weights, either one? Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and you're afraid the bigger one's going to get stuck, right?
Yeah, because
Okay, so it's pretty obvious that that one may not actually go through. So we don't want to get stuck, especially the first time. So why don't you go ahead and let Devin hold that one, and you go ahead and do the smaller one. Can you reach it? No. Okay, hold on.
I just did it on you.
I'm not in front of it. Does that
Okay, did every time you did it actually go ahead and make the loop?
Yeah, I think
so
it's
can you
good.
make it all the way to the beach house down there, I guess?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sometimes it
the
kind
beach house.
Yeah, guys, why don't you move back so she can
Just a
film us
step.
right there.
Thank you.
All right,
Devin, watch out.
so let's check. All right.
Whoop, Zach, I didn't tell you something.
It kind of goes slow there because
Oh, right there. So this was our debate is about why do you think it wouldn't make it to this part?
it's going up.
No, hold on.
Kaylin.
Because what?
Because it's higher.
It's higher?
I had mine are a little heavier.
Okay.
I had a yellow one.
All right, so go ahead and let's do this one more time. And then does anybody have the brass ones that we used?
Hey, mine worked.
Okay, so we'll try that in just a minute. Let's try this one again. Oh, same thing. It's right here. It's that second hill. This is what we were talking about. All right, so let's try Joseph's. It's smaller, and so the debate is, and maybe it's heavier. That's what we want to know. All right, Nathan, you watching? Oh, so it wasn't even having it wasn't able to stay on there, was it?